The name of the Canvas Hill residence is a reflection of the homeowner's spirit, who is a well-known local artist. It combines the idea of a painter's medium and the sloping Janda Baik site, capturing the essence of modernity mixed with traditional elements in the architecture. This residence perfectly embodies the homeowner's intuition and connection with the place's natural surroundings. The site's naturally level peak on a knoll that stands 7 meters high presented an opportunity for architect Choo Gim Wah. He planned to utilize this feature for his design. The courtyard can be seen through the moon gate entrance of the house, and it is mostly defined by the pavilions of the residence that frame the beautiful horizon in the distance. The main dwelling, which also serves as art spaces, is the larger building and has multiple levels with decks and a flying roof that extends beyond the sloping terrain. The guest pavilion, although smaller, has a similar design. The overall design of the scheme is mostly linear, but it has been carefully manipulated to create a sense of lightness and drama that is fitting for such an important location. The artist utilizes an outdoor patio located beneath the deck on the first floor as their workspace. With a ceiling height of 3 meters, the area is well lit by natural light, making it perfect for creating artwork.